How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. So, you need to note that unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide a direct way to see all the reels you have watched. However, you can check your recent interactions to find reels you have liked, commented, or saved. So, simply, in order to do that, you need to first open Instagram and tap your profile icon at bottom right. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and navigate to your activity. Select that. Here you will see the interaction section. So you need to simply tap on likes to see all the reels you have liked. Similarly, you can come back and check for the comments. So here you will see all the reels where you have commented, and you can even check according to the newest or oldest, or you can sort by all dates as well. Come back and you can even see the notes, tags, sticker responses, and reviews that you have done on any reels, and check your recently watched reels that you have interacted. So that's it. That is how you can track your recently watched reels. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.